Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to remove invisible filter on TikTok. First, open your TikTok app and then search Invisible Challenge. Select the video and then long tap on it. Now, save the video. Once it's done, go to this app called PicsArt. If you don't have it, you can download it from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you're in the app, tap on the plus icon in the middle, and then select the video you just saved. Now select Edit Clip on the bottom. Select Contrast and slide it all the way down to -100. Now select Saturation and slide it all the way up to 100. Go to Hue and slide it all the way down to -180. After that, go to Shadows and slide it all the way up to 100. Now, go to Highlights and slide it down to -100. Last but not least, go to Temperature and set it at -19. Then tap on Apply. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe.